Let's make pumpkin puree from scratch. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel. Today, we're gonna be making a puree out of pumpkins at home from scratch. Super simple, super delicious. Let's do it. Now, can you buy the canned version? You can, a little play on the words, but I'm a strong believer that homemade is always better. Today I have two varieties of pumpkin. This is called a butternut squash, and these I think are Hokkaido pumpkins. We're gonna be working with this beauty. I think they are the sweetest and they have like the most intense flavor. Now, if you go to a farmer's market, you'll see a wide variety of different shapes and sizes and colors of pumpkins. Feel free to ask, which ones are better for decorating, which ones are better for cooking, but I like to stick to this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by preheating the oven and prepping this beauty. I always like to place like a wet cloth underneath my cutting board so it doesn't kind of squidge around when you're using it. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start by removing this little top. Then we're gonna place it down and cut it in half. Removing the skins can sometimes be a little bit tricky. With the butternut, you can basically do it with like a peeler. These are a bit more firm, but we don't need to do that to get the puree. Now look inside. Beautiful seeds. I never throw these out. If you're interested, I can film a separate video of what I do with the pumpkin seeds. You can clean them and roast them, and it's just like a delicious snack to put on top of your oatmeal or into your salads. I'm gonna scoop out all the seeds, not throwing them away, discard some of this like little stringy flesh, and then it's just as easy as placing it on a baking tray and roasting till soft and tender. Now the parchment paper just helps with easy cleanup. We're gonna send this into the oven for about, let's say, 30 to 40 minutes until it's fork tender. And depending on the size of the pumpkin and the variety, times may differ, but I'm gonna link all the details below in the description. I'll see you soon. Let me tell you, that immersion blender thing wasn't really working for me. It was a really tight jar. I ended up just doing it in a normal, like thick food processor blendery thing. And look at this gorgeous color. It's a very thick consistency, and you can store this in the fridge to use in all your favorite pumpkin recipes. And I will be sharing lots and lots in the future. My pumpkin granola, my favorite pumpkin pancakes. You can also freeze this. Now, when it comes to preparing the pumpkin, I know some people like to steam it, but in my mind, it really kind of dilutes the flavor. But when you roast it, like all the sugars caramelize and just deepens and intensifies the flavor. Now, I peeled my pumpkin using my bare hands. Oh my God, Bear, have you seen that TV show? It's my favorite. Anyway, but you could totally use a spoon to just scoop out the flesh. And yeah, this is the good stuff. Such a vibrant color. Let's give it a taste. Oh my God. Even without any spices, it's just delicious and so creamy. You gotta make it. Try it.